How to sign up for Dogecoin wallet. First, go ahead and download the My Doge application on your smartphone. To do that, open up your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Dogecoin. Once you make a search for it, look for this application that says My Dogecoin wallet. Tap on the download button, and once the application is downloaded, tap the open button to launch it open. The first interface of Dogecoin wallet will look like this. To sign up for a new wallet, you can tap on Create a Wallet button in yellow. Now, on the next page, you'll need to secure your wallet by setting up a 6-digit PIN and confirm your new PIN by typing it again. Now, right underneath, you'll be able to see this Use Fingerprint/Face ID option. Make sure you check that little box and enable Face ID or biometric. You can also choose to ask for your Face ID or your fingerprint every time you open up this app. In order to enable that settings for your security, check this little circle on the next field as well. After you make your selection, tap on the Confirm PIN button at the bottom, and you can now back up your newly created wallet in order to secure your fund. You can select between any of these options. To save your wallet to the cloud and protect it with password, select the first option. If you want to go ahead and choose the seed phrase option, then tap the second option and write down your seed phrase or save it in a password manager. In today's video, let me go ahead by tapping the first option, that is backup to iCloud. If you choose that option, you'll need to create a password and confirm your new password. Go ahead and create a strong password for your wallet, and on the next field, confirm your password by retyping it again. Remember that if you lose this password, you'll also lose your wallet backup. So make sure to type in the password that will be easier for you to remember. After you are done confirming your password, tap on Confirm Backup at the bottom and tap on the Sign In button on the next page. Here, you'll need to type in your phone number and tap the Send Verification option at the bottom. Enter the security code that you received on your mobile number. Or if you want to skip this step, tap the Skip button at the top right. And there you have successfully signed up for Dogecoin wallet. Now you can buy, send, or receive Dogecoin with this single platform from your friends or family. That was how you can easily sign up or create a Dogecoin wallet. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.